Next. Come here. Hello, what's the issue with you?
I'm not well. I have got a quite bad cough, sore throat, high fever, and also my entire body is hurting.
Oh, how long have you had these symptoms?
It started just before going to bed the day before yesterday.
Let me examine you. Open your mouth widely and say ah. Okay. Now let me listen to your heartbeat by stethoscope. Breathe. Breathe deeply. Okay. Now you get your blood tested for malaria.
Okay. Here is the report.
Okay. Everything is well. I am writing you a prescription and you can buy the medicines from pharmacy.
Alright. How should I take the medicine?
3 tablets a day after meal.
And what should I eat?
Take light foods and drink a lot of water and have a plenty of rest.
Okay, thank you, doctor.